Today I am a little helper at home. Come with me and let's help with fun little jobs. Playtime is done, so let's put the toys away. We can make the room clean and tidy today. All done, the room is tidy. The table is messy after snack time today. Let's wipe it nice and clean in a careful way. When we come home, shoes go in their place. Let's put them away with a happy face. Uh-oh, some trash is on the floor today. Let's pick it up and throw it in the bin right away. Yay, all clean now. Oh look, the clothes are lying on the floor. Let's put them in the basket. One more and one more. Look at the books, they go back on the shelf. We can put them away all by ourselves. It's almost time to eat, so let's help today. A plate, a cup, and a spoon can go the right way. Our little plant is thirsty, so let's help it grow. Pour a little water gently, nice and slow. Wow, we helped with so many little jobs today. Being a little helper is a fun and happy way.